XAU, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, let's take a look at gold and let's do a quick analysis on gold, or give you an update actually on gold. As you can see, we're looking at gold on the daily time frame, and as we talked about in the previous gold analysis video, we had a target here of around 1675 was the ultimate target, and you can see we're moving obviously to there. The first target that we wanted to stop at was somewhere around 1712 or so, and essentially that's exactly where we pinned to so far. So we still got probably like one more cycle to go before we get to the 1676 area. Basically retesting all these lows again, because we know that there's going to be some orders below all of these lows here. All right, every time you could see that market makers have gone down and grabbed orders every single time. Okay, so we definitely know that there are orders here. So how do we get from 1721? How do we get to 1675 or so? How do we get to this area here? Let's go ahead and move over to the lower time frame and let's break that down here for you. So here we're looking at gold on the 1 hour chart, and you can see we're coming off of a reset here for gold. We didn't make it as high as we wanted to, like all the way up here or even up here actually. If we do a quick fib, you can see we essentially made it to about 50% retracement, which is fine. If we take the fib and we apply it from where the reset happened to the first pullback that we actually get, you can see where we pulled back again, back into the 50 range. Okay, now for gold right now, we're already at 2.9 times ADR, right? So technically this right here could be creating a peak formation low, and that's perfectly fine, because when I mentioned to you last time, this was the area where I mentioned to you guys that we had orders sitting, right? So market makers are getting into these orders right now. Actually, they just got into them today. So now we're going back up again. So the question becomes essentially is this going to be a new peak formation low to go back up, or could this possibly just continue back down to go to the bottom here of 1680, 1675? If we do this move in just one cycle, we can do it, because as long as we keep the same average of movement per day, we can make it down here on a full cycle of 4.4 times ADR. Okay, so what am I looking for on gold essentially right now? Obviously we're still looking for sells on gold, but I want to see how we react here on this price action, because if we go ahead and if we just use another fib and we can put it from the previous high to where the pullback started, you could see that right here in this area, okay, if we zoom into it, right here in this particular area here, there's going to be more orders that market makers can grab. What I'm waiting for is, what I would prefer to happen would be for market makers to go up here, grab these orders, and then continue on down in a single cycle. Okay, because I don't believe we could make a move back up again and create like a full-blown reset, because I think that to create a full-blown reset, price action would need to climb back up into these highs up here. Okay, and the reason I say that is because if we just turn on the EMAs that we use, right, to help determine when a new peak formation is created, we would need the 13 and 50 to cross each other. For that to happen, we would obviously need a huge move to happen. And so if that huge move were to happen, it would need to basically move price all the way up here to the very top or close to it. So if we refib this again, we would need to, get somewhere all the way up to 786 for that to happen. So essentially this would become a peak formation low, and then we could expect a reset, right? Or at least I would be expecting a reset somewhere around this range here, because that would be price action would be going far enough to where it would make the 13 and the 50 cross each other, and then we can go ahead and move down, right? So those are my expectations for gold. Obviously I'm looking for more sells because we're in a selling market on gold. And the question really is just very simple, honestly, is do we need to make another reset, or can market maker just grab these orders up here and then continue the move? Because we've measured this out already, and I know that we can make it here on a full cycle. So it's really up to them, obviously, as far as what they want to do. But regardless, I'm either looking for market makers to go up here, grab these orders that are here, and then go down and finish off the cycle down here. If that doesn't happen and they keep going up, then we know that it's very likely for them to come back up into 786 retracement area, make the reset, and then go ahead and create the cycle. Okay, so either way, those are the two scenarios that I'm essentially looking forward to on gold. All right, so hopefully this will give you an idea as to what to look forward to on gold, at least what I'm expecting on gold. And hopefully this will help you out in the coming days and hopefully into next week. But that is my quick analysis for you guys on gold. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see your specific pair, if you want me to do an analysis on your specific pair, just comment it below. And as always, guys, please like and share the content, subscribe to the channel. And until next time, guys, have a great rest of your trading week. Guys, if you need any more help, join us on FXN Plus. It's available right now on fxntrading.com. You'll get a lot of different value from FXN Plus. For example, blueprint videos, 9 sessions, 14 hours long, over 100 hours right now of group session videos from the past 2 years. Over 100 hours we're up to right now on these sessions. You also get weekly sessions every Sunday. Ask as many questions as you want. I actually give a weekly analysis during those sessions, and I also give a midweek analysis that I put up on the website for everyone to see as well. You get access to the MT4 and MT5 indicators that everyone asked for. That's how you get access to them. Private group, trading plan, custom trading journal. I mean, everything you could possibly want is on FXN Plus. Guys, join us there. If you need any more help, we'll be more than happy to help you. We'll see you on FXN Plus.